malupitan yun. Lamang ka!
Na you're the 14th, the 13th, or 12th.
But you know na you don't belong to the 7. And it's always like that. Diba? May mga gut ka. Ako, hindi naman ako confident na ako yung sa 12. But I know that hindi ako bilang sa top 5. Hindi ako ganun, mas may ganun pa. So, hindi talaga, I didn't present myself because I was also thinking na, at that moment, I had to and wait for others to. But at the end of the day, we all violated some things. Ako, ang dami ko natutunan just by that. Tapos nung nakita ko kayo, na kayo na lang, masakit din sa part namin. Masakit sa part ko as an ate, na andun kayo. JM owning up na siya yung number 1 na spot. Sobrang bigat din yun sa part niya. Kasi imagine, wala ngang umangal. Siya ang owning up to it also. It's such a brave thing, you know, owning it up. Pero iba yung nag-own up ka because you know na you did something wrong or you did the most rather than owning up just because walang ibang mag-own. Ako naisip ko din na i-own up, like, I'll just raise my hand because as an ate, baka sa isip ko din, dumaan siya sa isip ko na as an ate, hindi ko kayo natulungan more. Or as an ate, I should have been more careful or sinisita, which sinisita ko naman kayo, pero kaya nga, I can't control some things. Pero, naisip ko din yun na baka kung naging mas mabuti akong ate sa bahay, hindi masyadong madami yung violations. Pero, when I took a deep breath, when I thought about it, sabi ko din, we're our own individual here. May sarili tayong isip. We're not 13 anymore. Like, sige, may 17, may 16.
You know what's right and wrong.
Pero you know na what's right and wrong. And pag lagi mo nang inuulit, iba na din siya. So, pero sa isip ko din, kasi sometimes pag nagsisita din ako, nakikita ko din yung reaction ng iba na ayaw din nila na sinisita or parang feeling ko siguro na feel nila na KJ, si Ate Jazz, kasi they're having fun. So, sometimes I let it be na lang kasi you have your own mind. Pero yun, panghawakan mo lang yung ano mo dyan. What you know, kapitan mo lang yan na kahit nag-volunteer ka sa 4th spot, you know that hindi ka pang 4th.
Kami alam namin.
Kami alam namin yan. Alam namin yan. Alam ng lahat dyan.
Kamali akong pili dun. Sa akin talaga. Hindi ko na naisip rin sa
Kasi nagdala ka na sa emotions kanina. Nagalit ka. And bigat na kasi kanina. So, wala nang nakipag-away sa'yo. Magsasalita sana ako. Pero nakita ko na yung mukha mo eh. Nagalit ka, na ganyan ka. Eh, malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Kung malapit, kung katabi kita, napagsabihan kita. But I couldn't change. Pero yun, parang for future na lang, at least take this as a learning curve. Na, yes, there are times na you should be selfless.
Yeah.
There are times na you think about other people. You think about, sige na lang kasi walang mag-uuna. Pero at this moment, yun dapat. Ganon din sa sarili ko. Pero valid din naman yun na feel mo na parang na-pressure ka na kay Kuya Ding Dong, na ano ka na because parang kulang na lang sabihin.
Nakakala ko lang kasi noon is parusa lang. Tapos parusa na ibibigyan ni Kuya. Tapos nung tumigil si Kuya sa 5th, doon na ako napaisip, wala, nominated na to. Tapos si Kulit sabi, sige siya ingon nga, dili, ayaw pag-una ba? Sakto din yun.
Na alam ko, nung nagpasap si Kuya, pumasok na siya sa isip ko na ito yung automatically nominated. Kaya na ano ako, kayo ni Binsoy. I mean, I feel for everyone. Gets ko naman. Like, ayoko din. It's hard. It's hard. As in, I'm not gonna lie and tell you na it's okay na feeling maging nominado. I'm not gonna lie. I'll straight up tell you na it's super hard because you wanna enjoy the moment but you don't want to say goodbye because ayaw mo din i-manifest. Ayaw mo din. So, ako as someone who got nominated last year, believe in yourself, Jan. And the people will believe in you outside also. But whatever happens, your worth isn't measured by you being saved or evicted. And then just pray. Like, pray to God always. Pray for guidance. Pray na this isn't the end of your journey. At marami ka pang pwede mapakita. Because that was a selfless thing. It was a brave thing to do. Yan. So,
Hindi din lang kami nakaka-appreciate nun for sure. Yung mga ibang nakakita.
meron ding mga nainis sa'yo kasi bakit mo ginawa?
Oo nga. Pero
Diyan.
medyo nasad lang ako kasi that's not for you.
Kaya nga.
Talaga yun for you.
Yeah, pero...
Ayaw. Ayaw.
Eh,
Pero kami, nito lang kami.
yeah. If you need anyone to
A few
talk to
days,
within the
yes.
week,
A few days,
tomorrow.
feel mo, or like mamayang gabi, pag before ka matulog, maisip mo again. Bukas pwede mo sa amin sabihin.
If you need someone for an advice, Julie and Ate Julie and Ate Jazz is here. If you just need someone to listen to you, nandito din kaming dalawa.
Yes.
Anything you want us to do, you want us to cook, we will try to make it good. But we're here, like, you know, at the end of the day, yes, it's a competition, but at the end of the day, we're your ates. At the end of the day, we're here to step up as your second, third parent. Kasi wala na si Mami Noemi, wala din si Kuya Brick. So,
Yes.
parang the responsibility is within the both of us with Kuya Pat and Dong. Baliktad. Kuya Dong and Pat. Although they're also,
Nominated.
yes, experience that. So, we also want them to slowly process things, to, you know, do their own thing. Kasi baka ayaw din nila na ma-disturb sometimes yung Nita na or ganun. So, I think the safest is, if you're comfortable, Ate Jess and Ate Jolie, na ganun. So, iba-iba, whatever you need, will be here.
Yes.
Will be here.
Ayaw.
Pero, yun. Pray lang talaga. As in,
Ako din, I'm gonna help you by praying.
every night I pray. Not just for myself, but I pray for everyone. Everyone to extend their patience, their understanding. I've been told na I'm not genuine. I've been told na I'm playing safe. Eh, ito naman talaga ako. So, pinanghawakan ko yun. Sabi ko, I'm not gonna change myself. Just for everyone to be satisfied sa anong gusto nila makikita sa akin. Sabi ko, ito na ako. This is as genuine as I get. Siguro, hindi pa ako nagalit because siguro, mahaba pasensya ko. I pray for understanding also. Kasi sa totoo lang, hirap talaga to be surrounded with different personalities na hindi ka sanay. But it's always God. So, I pray na parang God take over my life. The words that I release, because that's dangerous eh. Baka nag-advise ako ng advice dito, pero hindi naman tama or hindi naman ganito, it's not helpful or nakakasama pala ng ibang tao. So, yun, pray for guidance talaga. For the words to come out of your mouth and for your actions na hindi makasakit. So, yun. And since you're bunso, part of my bunso,
Ayaw.
very totoo. Mas kilala pa kita on a deeper level kaysa sa iba. So, yun lang. And I know na you did it with a good heart. And
Yes.
sa emotions mo lang talaga. So next time, don't decide when your emotions are really high. Think about it. And maybe Dylan telling you to, ako nasa fourth ako ng work na si John. Dylan's also older than you. So parang maybe next time when someone older than you tells you something, reflect. Or even, not older, but a companion, your partner, your younger siblings. Sometimes it's good to listen also. Know when to act, know when to respond, and know when to listen also. Yun lang. Para ma-process. Kasi, baka if nasa outside world din tayo, baka may biglang opportunity maano sa'yo, pero binigay mo sa iba. Kasi mas na-feel mo, yun ang mga ganun. Or nag-aaway-away sa certain place, pero hindi mo nalang binigay kasi mas na-aaway. Yun ang mga ganun. And sometimes you also have to fight for yourself, choose yourself. I mean, I was in a relationship for a long time, so binigay ko yung sarili ko sa kanya. Now that I'm single, I choose myself na. So parang, I'm not saying na be single. Wrong yun na context. But like, I mean, gets mo yung
Kasama.
the point. Yeah. Na ganun lang. Give and take. And yeah.
Sa'yo, medyo ko ito ganyan. Eh! Kapuyog to, Jud. Ay,
Yeah, because
nakapagod talaga.
you're physically tired. You're mentally tired.
Pagod din, physically.
And then sometimes, yun nga, ako I also try. Because I'm very outspoken. So like, and sanay ako in like leadership positions. So sometimes, same din ako kagaya ni Ken Hunggang na gusto may system, gusto may ganun, gusto agad.
Naintindihan ko rin naman yung kay Kuya Ding.
Pero,
Kaya niya gusto.
kanina
Kasi gusto niya maging fair.
Oo, which
Saka,
makes,
nung sinabi niya yun, nung inako mo, kasi alam ni Kuya Ding na ikaw, hindi mo deserve. Kaya niya rin sinasagot yun.
oo.
Kasi gusto ni Kuya Ding ang kumuha ng spot, yung alam
Yes.
nila sa sarili nila na sila talaga
Yeah.
may deserve.
Yun. So parang, ganun. Pero it's also a lesson na we all should take na sometimes. Ako parang, I try talaga to control myself. Kasi, kunwari, baka for you guys, ayaw nyo yung ganun na at lagi nagsasalita. Pero for iba, kailangan din. So, iba-iba talaga. So, habaan na lang din. Prayer na lang talaga dyan. Kapit ka lang. Kaya mo yan. Yeah.
Thank you.
We love you.
Aggobe!
The Jays. The Ate Jays.
Oh, with our baby Jay!
Hello!
Galing ka bukat mo kami sabay. Abaw ko na! Sorry
Ay, jacket na ni Jaren sa akin. I mean, mabango.
Ay, kakabihis ko lang.